Hello everyone, I am Amol Gawande, Chief Communication Officer of Dabola Enterprises Private Limited and a spokesperson of Dabola Charity. I am a son of Dabola. I am very proud of being associated with Dabolas. My responsibility is to provide all the information related working of Dabola Enterprises and Dabola Charity and Dabolas. Dabola is famous all over the world and many peoples want to know details about the Dabola working of Dabolas. I am here to give you all the information about Dabola. To start with, I would like to introduce the Board of Directors of Dabola Enterprises Private Limited and Trustee of Dabola Charity. First of all, meet Mr. Sandeep Shantaram Gaikar,
Namaskar.
the Managing Director and also the President of Dabola Charity. Meet Mr. Sunil Pandurang Gawande,
Namaskar.
the Director and CEO of Dabola Enterprises Private Limited and Secretary of Dabola Charity. Meet Mr. Sharad Gangadhar More,
Namaskar.
Director and COO of Dabola Enterprises Private Limited and Joint Secretary of Dabola Charity. All these three peoples are working as a Dabola for around 25 years in Mumbai. And what is amazing is that they still live in a small chart and ride a bicycle for deliver the tiffin boxes. They have little or no formal education. Also meet Mr. Tukai Tapan Das,
Namaskar.
the treasurer of Dabola Charity, and meet Mr. Dharmananda Bhosle, the chief marketing officer of Dabola Enterprises. Dabola is 130 years old business which started in the year of 1890. There are total around 5,000 Dabolas in Mumbai with around 200,000 customers. Today is a very special day. Today is the third anniversary of Dabola Enterprises Private Limited. Dabola Enterprises Private Limited has successfully completed 3 years of business and changed the life of many Dabolas. What started as a small step has become a big revolution now. Dabola Enterprises Private Limited is the first and only corporate company of Dabola started the economic empowerment of Dabolas. Now I request you to all the directors to share the journey of Dabola Enterprises. First of all, I request to MD sir share your experience of the first anniversary.
नमस्कार. मी संदीप शांताराम गायकर, डबोला एंटरप्राइजचा मॅनेजिंग डायरेक्टर आणि डबोला चॅरिटीचा अध्यक्ष. प्रथम वर्धापन दिन मुंबईतील ओरिएंटल विमा कंपनीमध्ये घेण्यात आला. त्या दिवशी आम्ही डबेवाल्यांना मेडिक्लेम पॉलिसी दिली होती. डबोला एंटरप्राइजेसने यापूर्वी डबेवाल्यांना 10 लाखाचं विमा संरक्षण दिले आहे. त्या दिवशी सर्व डबेवाला खूप आनंद झाला होता. 1 वर्षामध्ये आम्ही ते केले जे 130 वर्षामध्ये झाले नाही. त्या दिवशी मला कंपनीच्या भविष्याविषयी खात्री नव्हती, पण आता मी पाहू शकतो की आमचं काम यशस्वी आहे. आता मला खात्री आहे की डबोला एंटरप्राइजेस ही एक जागतिक खाद्य कंपनी बनवू शकते. धन्यवाद.
Thank you, MD sir, for a great message. MD sir is saying that in the first anniversary was conducted in Oriental Insurance Company in Mumbai. On that day, we gave the mediclaim policy to Dabolas. Dabola Enterprises has already given the 10 lakh insurance cover to all Dabolas. On that day, all the Dabolas were very happy. In that 1 year, we was not done in 130 years. On that day, we are not sure about the company's future, but now we can see the company is successful. Now, MD sir is sure that Dabola Enterprises will become the global food company. Next, I will request to CEO sir.
Namaskar.
Gawande sir, what is your memory of second anniversary sir?
सेकंड अॅनिव्हर्सरी ही मुंबईच्या प्रेस क्लबमध्ये घेण्यात आली. त्यामध्ये मोठ्या संख्येने मोठ्या व्यक्ती उपस्थित होत्या. त्यामध्ये प्रमुख पाहुण्यांमध्ये नामदेवराव जाधव हे प्रमुख पाहुणे होते. त्या दिवशी डबोला एंटरप्राइजेस प्रायव्हेट लिमिटेड आणि डबोला चॅरिटीची वेबसाईट सुरू करण्यात आली. मोठ्या संख्येने सगळे डबेवाले त्या ठिकाणी उपस्थित होते. त्यानंतर आम्ही सर्व डबेवाल्यांना चांदीचे नाणे बोनस म्हणून देण्यात आली. मला खूप आनंद झाला होता त्या दिवशी की समजले डबेवाला एंटरप्राइजेस प्रायव्हेट लिमिटेड ही कंपनी मोठी बनत चाललेली आहे. डबेवाला एंटरप्राइजेसने बऱ्याच डबेवाल्यांचे जीवन बदललेले आहे. धन्यवाद.
Thank you, CEO sir. CEO sir is saying that in second anniversary was organized in a famous press club in Mumbai. In that large number of media person large number of media person were present. Sri Namdev Rao Jadhav was the chief guest. On that day, we launched the website of Dabawala Enterprises Private Limited and the Dabawala charity. Large number of Dabawalas were also present. In that that day, we gave the silver coin as a bonus to Dabawalas. Everyone was very happy. On that day, CEO sir realized that slowly the Dabawala Enterprises become a big company, and CEO sir is very happy that Dabawala Enterprises has changed the life of many Dabawalas. Thank you, sir. Next, I will request to CEO sir. CEO sir, due to COVID-19 lockdown since March 2020, Dabawala service is totally closed.
नमस्कार, मी शेख गंगाधर मोरे, डबावाला एंटरप्राइजेसचा डायरेक्टर, चीफ ऑपरेटिंग ऑफिसर, डबावाला चॅरिटीचा जॉईंट सेक्रेटरी. मित्रांनो, मार्च 2020 पासून डबेवाल्यांचं पूर्ण काम हे बंद झालेलं आहे आणि या कामामुळे डबेवाल्यांना खूप अडचण येत आहे. त्यांना रेशन, त्यांचं मेडिक्लेम वगैरे अशा अडचणी आल्या आणि त्याच्यामध्ये रिपब्लिक टीव्हीने भरपूर प्रोत्साहन दिलं डबेवाला चॅरिटीसाठी आणि त्याप्रमाणे डबेवाला चॅरिटीने नायगाव येथे प्रथम प्रोग्राम केला. डबेवाल्यांना रेशन वाटप करण्यात आलं. त्यानंतर अंधेरी वर्सोवा येथे डबेवाल्यांना रेशन देण्यात आलं. अशा प्रकारे रिपब्लिक टीव्हीने आम्हाला भरपूर सपोर्ट केला. त्याप्रमाणे मित्रांनो, आम्ही डायरेक्ट डबेवाल्यांच्या खात्यामध्येही पैसे जमा केले. मी तर रिपब्लिक टीव्हीचे आभार मानतो. धन्यवाद.
Thank you, CEO sir. CEO sir is saying that Dabawala are facing a very problems in lockdown, and Dabawalas lost their income. So CEO sir very sad about it. Dabawala Enterprises sent a direct cash transfer to Dabawala's bank account. This has helped them. Also, Dabawala charity did the donation campaign on Republic Day and got the donation from the viewer. We distribute the ration to Dabawalas across the Mumbai. We will ensure that no Dabawala is angry now. Thank you for Republic TV for their help. Next, I will request to Trizar sir. Sir, what is your message?
डब्बावाला चॅरिटी नमस्कार. डब्बावाला चॅरिटीला मदत करा.
Thank you, sir. Trizar sir is saying that to donate in Dabawala charity. Next, I will request to CMO sir. CMO sir, what is your message?
नमस्कार, मी धर्मानंद भोसले, CMO of the Dabawala Enterprises Private Limited. Dabawala has access to nook and corner of the Mumbai city with population of 2 crore. You may contact us for marketing activities in Mumbai. You can also invite us for Dabawala's management lectures whose proceeds are used for the welfare of Dabawalas. Thank you.
Thank you, CMO sir. Please visit dabawala.net for more information about Dabawala Enterprises Private Limited. Also, please visit dabawala.org for more information on Dabawala charity. Dabawala Enterprises will like to thank you to central government, the Maharashtra state government, Indian Railway, our shareholder and our customers for making the company a great success. We will also thank you our chartered accountant Mr. Rajesh Jain sir, our company secretary Mrs. Delakshi Marathe madam, our legal advisor Dr. Pawan Pandey, respected Professor Namdev Rao Jadhav sir, our banker Bank of India, our insurance the Oriental Insurance Company Limited, our technology partner Innovins Technology, our fintech partner Razor Pay and our hardworking Dabawalas for helping us running this company. Thank you everyone. Now I request to everyone to cut the 3rd anniversary cake.